Imagine a factory. It is quiet, it is clean, it can make almost anything. No long waits for parts, no massive noisy machines. This is not a dream, this is the future of making things. It is powered by 3D printing. This technology is truly revolutionary. 3D printing offers a new vision, a vision for American manufacturing. It can bring production back home. It can create new kinds of jobs. Think of designers and technicians. They will operate these new tools. This is more than just a new machine, it is a new way to think, a new way to build our world. This shift is already starting. Companies are exploring its power. They see the great potential to make better products faster, to respond to needs quickly. This is personal fabrication on a big scale. It puts creation into more hands. It democratizes manufacturing itself. The impact will be widespread. We stand at an exciting threshold. A new industrial age is dawning. Ideas can become physical objects. This happens with amazing speed. And with great precision too. This is the core promise of 3D printing. It is reshaping how America makes, and what America can achieve. A new dawn is truly here. Traditional manufacturing has served us. For many decades it built nations, it created countless products we use, but today, it faces serious hurdles. These challenges are growing bigger, the old ways are showing strain. Supply chains are a major issue, they are often very long, stretching across the entire globe. These long chains are fragile. A problem in one place stops everything. We saw this with recent disruptions. Parts do not arrive on time. Factories must then sit idle. Costs can rise very suddenly. Businesses find it hard to plan. This uncertainty hurts our economy. It makes us less competitive. Finding skilled labor is another problem. Many traditional factory jobs are hard. Fewer young people want these roles. This creates a labor shortage. Production slows down significantly. Quality can sometimes suffer too. This makes it difficult for US companies. They struggle to keep up, and to innovate as they should. Traditional methods also create waste. Think of cutting metal from a block. Much of that metal is discarded. Making molds is very expensive. It also takes a lot of time. Changing a design is not easy. It requires new tools, new molds. These limitations are significant. They hold back progress and efficiency. So, what exactly is industrial 3D printing? It has another name: additive manufacturing. This name explains how it works. It adds material, it does not subtract. Think of building with tiny bricks or a very precise robotic glue gun. It constructs objects layer by layer. Each layer is incredibly thin. This creates complex shapes. The process starts with a digital design, a blueprint made on a computer. This design is sent to the 3D printer. The printer reads the instructions. It then begins to build the object. It lays down material precisely, following the digital plan exactly. This allows for great accuracy and for very intricate details. Many different materials can be used. Plastics are very common, metals like titanium and aluminum too. Ceramics can also be printed, even advanced composite materials. This versatility is a key strength. It opens doors for many industries, from aerospace to medical fields. The possibilities are expanding constantly. Industrial 3D printers are powerful. They are not like small desktop toys. These are large, sophisticated machines. They can produce big, strong parts. Parts used in critical applications, like jet engines or medical implants. They operate with high precision. They are built for industrial demands. This is serious manufacturing technology. 3D printing offers powerful solutions. It tackles old manufacturing problems. One key benefit is on-demand production. Companies make parts only when needed. No more guessing future demand. No more making thousands of extra parts. This changes inventory management. It is a much leaner approach. It saves money and resources. This means less need for huge warehouses. Storing inventory costs a lot. Space, climate control, and management. On-demand printing reduces these costs. It also cuts the risk of obsolescence. Parts do not sit on shelves for years, becoming outdated or unusable. Companies can be more nimble. They can adapt to changes faster. This technology can bring jobs home. Manufacturing can return to America. This is often called reshoring. Factories can be smaller, more local. They can be set up anywhere, even in remote areas or cities. This creates new opportunities for skilled workers across the nation. It strengthens local economies. Greater independence is another plus. American companies can rely less on distant global supply chains. This makes our national economy stronger, more resilient to global shocks. We can make what we need here, when we need it, where we need it. This is a strategic advantage for security and for prosperity. Section 5. From idea to item, the speed and flexibility of additive methods. Speed is a massive advantage. 3D printing accelerates innovation. Engineers can create prototypes quickly. They can test new ideas much faster. No more waiting weeks for a model. A new design can be printed overnight or sometimes even in hours. This rapid iteration is powerful. It helps refine products effectively. Making changes is very simple. Designers adjust the digital file. The computer sends new instructions. The printer creates the revised part. This process is incredibly efficient. It encourages experimentation. It allows for continuous improvement. Companies can innovate at a faster pace, staying ahead of the competition. For complex parts, 3D printing shines. It can be much faster than old ways. Traditional methods need many steps: machining, welding, and assembly. 3D printing can combine parts. Several components become one solid piece. This simplifies the entire process. It reduces assembly time and labor. It can also make parts stronger. This agility transforms responsiveness. Companies can react to market shifts. If customer preferences change or if a new need emerges, new products can be designed and produced very quickly. This is vital in today's fast world. The ability to adapt is key. 3D printing provides that ability. Section 6. Smarter production, customization, complexity, and less waste. 3D printing excels at customization. Making unique items is easy. Each product can be tailored to individual needs or preferences. This is called mass customization. It is very hard with traditional methods. Old factories are built for sameness. 3D printers thrive on variety. No extra cost for unique designs. Think of the medical field. Implants can perfectly fit a patient. Surgical guides match exact anatomy. This improves outcomes for people or consider specialized tools, designed for one specific task or for one specific worker's hands. This level of personalization is new. It opens up many new markets. This technology handles complexity well. Intricate internal structures are possible, shapes that cannot be machined or molded in traditional ways. Designers are no longer so limited. They can create optimal forms, lighter parts without losing strength, more efficient channels for fluids. This unlocks new engineering feats. 3D printing also means less waste. It is an additive process, remember. Material is added only where needed, unlike carving away from a big block. Very little raw material is wasted. This is good for the environment. It conserves precious resources. It is also good for the bottom line. Less waste means lower material costs. Section 7. Making it real. 3D printing transforming U.S. industries. Many U.S. companies now use 3D printing. They are seeing real benefits. GE Aviation is a great example. They print fuel nozzles for jet engines. These nozzles are very complex. 3D printing makes them lighter and more durable than old designs. This improves fuel efficiency, a big win for airlines. Ford Motor Company uses it too, for making prototype parts quickly and for creating factory tools. This speeds up car development. It helps them test new ideas faster. It saves them significant time. It also saves them money. They can bring better cars to market sooner than they could before. The US military finds it invaluable, especially in remote locations. Soldiers can print spare parts for vehicles or equipment on demand. No need to wait for shipments. This improves readiness and safety. It keeps critical gear operational. They can even print custom drones or specialized tools for missions. Healthcare is being transformed. Doctors use 3D printed models to plan complex surgeries. Custom surgical guides improve accuracy. Patient-specific implants are common, like hip replacements or dental crowns. Researchers are even printing tissues and exploring bioprinting organs. The impact on health is profound. Section 8. Rebuilding the Dream. 3D printing and America's next industrial boom. 3D printing can spark a new boom, a new era of industrial growth right here in the United States. It can make American manufacturing more competitive on the world stage, more innovative and more resilient. This is a chance to rebuild and to lead in new ways. The potential is truly enormous. It empowers small businesses greatly. Entrepreneurs can create niche products. They do not need massive factories or huge upfront investment in tools. A 3D printer can be their factory. This lowers the barrier to entry. It fosters a wave of innovation. New companies, new ideas, new jobs, all across the American landscape. This technology fuels creativity. It gives designers new freedom. Engineers can push boundaries. They can bring bold ideas to life more easily than ever before. The focus shifts in the workforce from manual labor on assembly lines to skilled jobs in design and in operating these advanced systems. A new kind of worker is needed. People who understand digital design, people who can manage these printers, people who can maintain complex tech. These are high-skill, high-wage jobs. This is good for American workers. It is good for our communities. This boom will be built on knowledge and on digital craftsmanship. Section 9. The Unfolding Blueprint. What lies ahead for 3D printing? The future of 3D printing is bright. The technology is still evolving. It is getting better all the time. We will see even more materials, new plastics, stronger metals, smart materials. Printing speeds will increase dramatically. The quality of printed objects will continue to reach new heights, making it suitable for more uses. Imagine printing entire houses quickly and affordably on site, or complex electronic circuits embedded directly into products, perhaps even biological structures like skin grafts or organ patches. These ideas are not science fiction. Researchers are working on them now. The pace of innovation is rapid. As the technology becomes cheaper and easier to use every day, more people will gain access. Students, artists, small businesses. This widespread access will drive change. It will lead to more discoveries. It will transform more industries in ways we cannot yet predict. The creativity will be astounding. So, what could be revolutionized next? Think about your own work. Think about your community's needs. How could building things layer by layer change your world for the better? What problems could it solve? What new possibilities could it open? The blueprint is still being written. The future is truly printable. If you believe America's next big leap will be printed instead of assembled. Subscribe now for more stories from the front lines of innovation. Like this video, share it with a future maker, and comment below. What do you think 3D printing will revolutionize next?